Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something special in store for you. We're going to reveal the secrets of earning $1,000 in just 1 month through email marketing. And guess what? It's totally doable, even if you have a demanding job and family commitments. Let's dive right into it. Understand your niche. First things first, you need to know your audience. Just like our friend Rajesh, who's into technology and self-improvement, identify what your potential subscribers are interested in. Your niche is your foundation. Build your email list. Now, let's talk about your email list. Start with your network, friends, colleagues, and acquaintances who share your interests. Then, use lead magnets like ebooks or webinars to entice strangers to join your list. Quality over quantity, always. Choose an email marketing platform. Rajesh doesn't have a lot of spare cash, so choose a budget-friendly email marketing platform. MailChimp, Sendinblue, or MailerLite are great choices for beginners. They offer free plans to get you started. Create engaging content. Time to create some killer content. Tailor your emails to your niche, just like we're doing here with Rajesh's interests. Share valuable tips, insights, and information your subscribers will love. Talk about what's in it for them, not yours. Automate your emails. Now, here's the magic trick to balancing a busy life. Automation. Set up email sequences so your subscribers receive valuable content regularly, without you having to be glued to your computer screen. Set up automation. Give you more free time. Promote affiliate products. Here's where the money starts rolling in. If you're into tech like Rajesh, find affiliate products related to your niche. Share your honest reviews and include affiliate links in your emails. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Sharing is caring. Monitor and tweak. Keep an eye on your email open rates and click-through rates. Experiment with different subject lines and email formats to see what works best for your audience. Continuously refine your strategy. Data is king, should to A/B testing. Scale up! As you start earning, reinvest a portion of your earnings into your email marketing efforts. This can include paid advertising, premium email marketing tools, or outsourcing content creation. And there you have it, folks. Earning $1,000 in a month through email marketing is entirely possible, just like our friend Rajesh plans to do. Remember, it's not about spamming people. It's about providing value to your subscribers. So go ahead, identify your niche, build that email list, and automate your way to success. And most importantly, keep it ethical and respectful. Your subscribers are real people with real interests, just like you and me. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions or want more details on any of the steps we covered, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy email marketing. If you want to master email marketing, check out my ebook, Email Marketing Mastery, link in the description below. Thanks for watching.